they don't like it or they ignore it, I'm gonna stab them in the face. If there's anything I have an obsession for, it's ruining people's dreams and doing stupid things. The end goal is to destroy every ounce of morale that Hypixel Skywars players have. Even though it is fun torturing people, like a lot of fun, like I'm having heaps of hormones watching people suffer. Someone really needs to check up on my mental health because like I must be crazy. I didn't realize how much fun it is to torture people. There's just something so satisfying about watching people suffer and uploading it to YouTube that it makes me want to do more of it. If you were expecting some wholesome Skywars content when you clicked on this video, then you came to the wrong place. Even if after all those problems, you still successfully enclose someone in cacti, because even though cacti suck for killing people, it would still be really, really funny to watch someone suffer as they slowly get pricked to death by a cactus. The most ruthless killing machine. I am non-existent. Honestly, I'm just really excited for this trap to work because I really, really badly want to see someone die from full health getting knocked into a cactus. Like, oh my god. A home in the land of Omicron Tortureville. Like, it's gotta happen. Chill! I need some quiet time to set up my trap. This guy's coming over! I'm not gonna ask you again. Go away. That lack of intelligence, I really want to see it happen. I want to see someone get pricked to death by a cactus. Now we just need someone gullible enough to fall into it. I just want someone to die to a cactus, please! You know you want to do it? He's not gonna force them in by punching them, and then they just like, you know, they get stuck. A little tunnel that hopefully I can lure someone into. I want to stare at him as he dies to thorns. Don't you feel like an idiot now? Lure people into that hole because people, they're not gonna go into that hole on their own, okay? Like that is sketchy as hell.